Guys, another video. Today we're gonna use our fidget spinners that are kind of cool, but look, the first one doesn't spin that bad. Then we're gonna do a battle, like fidget spinner and fidget spinner against like other one. And this is the first one. Sorry, but this takes forever. But you can see like the effects, like you see how like it goes like this, guys. Then it goes like that, and then boom. It's kind of good. And the others are the same. Don't have to worry, but I'm going to show you. This is the glow in the dark one. You think not to glow in the dark one? Wait, I'm going to show you spinning. But with no lights, okay guys? Now with the lights. But something is kind of broken, guys, so there's not going to be all the lights. It's going to be like, just like this. So don't be mad. We're going to fix it, okay? So it's been that bad. That's with lights. It doesn't spin that bad. It doesn't spin that bad. Now I'm going to show you the same one as this one, but like different color of this. So here it is. Kind of the same. They're the same, guys. So yeah, they're the same. Yeah. And another one that's the same, but it's been bad. This one. You can hear that noise and it stops so fast. Now my coolest one that is like kind of cool, my rarest one that my mom spent on me. So this is the one. Like cost $10. You can buy it in a 99-cent store. I don't know why, but it costs $10. So I don't know why they have it at 99-cent store. But look, you do it like that, like memorizing. But when you do it like that, not that memorized. But they have like not that effects like. But when you look here, kind of you can see the effect, kinda. And now we're gonna do the battles, and I'm not forgetting any more for sure. So let's do this. So this is I'm gonna put it here, guys. As you can see me, can't see my face, I know, but it has. So I'm gonna get my fidget spinners. So wait right here. Okay, guys, we're back, and I have spinners right here, and here, and here, and here, and here. So I know I'm not gonna use the headphones, so I'm gonna take it off. So I'm gonna put it like right there. Now I'm gonna let them fight. Now this is actual war. Now let's start off with the bluish ones. This one and this one start fighting. So I don't know which one will win. So that one, then that one. Let's attack. Wow. Wow. It's hot. Oh, this one won. It just stopped by itself. So this one's out. Now let's do the next round. This fidget spinner versus this one. This one lost. So bad. This one's still going. Now this one against this one. But let me see something, guys. It still works. Yeah, it's kind of works. Turn it off. Now you can start the match. So. Wow. Sure. We're gonna win. Oh, they just. Which one's gonna stop? Which one's gonna stop? They stopped at the same time. Oh, yeah, rush. Oh, oh. Oh. Wow, this is a rush. They did a rush. Which one will stop? Which one will stop? This one won. both up. They stop. It's a tie. Tie is good. Oh, he got pushed. This was one. He won. He is the winner. This is the winner. See, he is the winner. How? Now, let's see which one can spin like more longer. I know this one will lose first. So let's see. Put that one right there. This one right there. Actually, this one right there. This one right there. This one right there, and this one right there. You can see all of that. Can't see all of this. So right here, you can see that one. So put that one there. Oh, no, be harder. So that one won. And this one 1 second, 1/3, 1/3, boom. This one lost so fast. This one lost now. Now this one lost. And this one is right there. Now which one's going to win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Can it be the orange or the blue? It's gonna take forever. These ones, like lost. The one, the dark, the rare one, and my old register. That's that. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? This one lost. Now, this one's the winner again. Boy, this is good. This guy, like, wow, he's good. Now, the last challenge. So, the dangerous. But this guy versus everyone together. Hold on, that's gonna be last. Who wins this one? I don't know. If he wins, by the way. If he wins, my mom, alright. So if this one, I know if someone wins that round, there's not Danes versus them, all of them. Like, but this round they're gonna do free for all. So we're gonna put this one there, this one there, this one there, this one there, and this one there. Be free for all. So first, let's start with this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So we're gonna start. This one died so instantly. It's out. Now we're gonna attack this one. Oh, dodge it. Attack it and it's out. Now they're gonna attack. Oh my god, this one lost so bad. Now this one lost. Oh my god, John. Now this one's the money. Oh, this one lost. This one won. Like what? Like wow. But still, I didn't win the whole thing. But I only won one. So now we need to do this. This versus all of these. this one is the second. So it's 2-2. And for them and him. So they need to do competition against each other. Oh, that guy punched so hard. This one wins. It won. OMG. This one lost so bad. So the winner is this one. Like, I cannot believe it, guys. Like, wow. I got to say, wow. So if you want the strongest fidget spinner, get this one. Or this one. And together you need to go to one avenue. Then it's like in those stores, like in in the like a pharmacy, and yeah, but it's like in one of those lines. So yeah, you can get it, and there's like any of them. So bye.